Nothing is free. Rohan was a young boy. He lived in a small village with his parents. His family was poor, but they were honest and kind. Rohan was different. He did not like hard work. He wanted everything to be easy. Every day, he watched other people working in the fields, selling vegetables, or making clothes. He often said, "Why do people work so hard? I wish I could get everything for free." His father smiled and said, "My son, remember this. Nothing in life is truly free." But Rohan did not believe him. One sunny morning, Rohan went to the town market. He had no money in his pocket, but he hoped someone would give him food. After walking for a long time, he became very hungry. He sat under a big tree and looked tired. An old man came and sat beside him. "You look hungry," the old man said. "Yes," Rohan replied. "I have no money." The old man took a fresh apple from his bag and gave it to Rohan. "Here, you can eat this." Rohan smiled with happiness. "Thank you very much," he said. The old man smiled and said, "You are welcome. But always remember one thing. Nothing is free." Rohan looked surprised. "But you gave me this apple for free," he said. The old man laughed softly. "I did not ask for money," he replied. "But I hope you will pay for this apple with kindness. One day, help someone who needs you. That will be the real price." Rohan thought about these words while eating the apple. After some time, he started walking home. On the way, he saw an old woman carrying 2 heavy bags. She looked very tired. Rohan remembered the old man's words. He walked to the woman and said, "May I help you?" The old woman smiled. "Yes, please. Thank you." Rohan carried the bags all the way to her house. When they arrived, the woman thanked him and gave him a glass of cold water. "You are a good boy," she said. Rohan felt happy. He understood that helping someone made him feel better than getting a free apple. The next day, he helped a little boy find his lost dog. A few days later, he helped his neighbor clean the garden. Then he helped his father in the fields without anyone asking him. Slowly, Rohan changed. People in the village started smiling when they saw him. They trusted him. They respected him. One evening, Rohan met the old man again in the market. The old man asked, "Did you enjoy the apple?" Rohan smiled. "Yes," he said. "It was the sweetest apple I have ever eaten." "And did you pay for it?" The old man asked. "Yes," Rohan answered proudly. "I paid with kindness. I helped many people." The old man's eyes became bright. "Now you understand," he said. "Money is not the only price in life. Sometimes the real price is honesty, hard work, kindness, and respect." From that day, Rohan never looked for free things again. He worked hard. He helped others. He became successful because people trusted him. He learned the greatest lesson of his life. Nothing is truly free. Every gift carries a responsibility. When someone shows you kindness, share that kindness with others.